Alright, so in this video we're just going to create our Facebook page, and so just go to business.facebook.com, click on business settings, and in here you can click on pages, and we just need to add one, so I'll click on add and create a new page, and this will be, we can do brand or product, that's fine, and I'm going to call my page, like it's going to be a family page, because I can post all my family jewelry onto this one, and then under here you can just go clothing or brand, whatever you want to do. So family time is what I've chose, because that allows me to really build up. You can see I got a couple others in there in this second business manager account for me. So now family time is the name of it, and that allows me a lot of options with different family members and gifts for different family members. So I'm going to add a picture here. I'm going to upload the photo. And here I'll just go to my account, which is, sorry, I just moved it to another screen. There, I think I put it in here. Images. Yeah. So family time is what I did. For that, it just has to be square. Oh, looks like it didn't quite fit. So you can reposition it a little bit. I just cropped it. And that's just a very simple one. I like to do red because with my ad show, it's got like a red thing on it, which is good. Then I'm going to add the cover page too, so I'll just upload that. Your cover page, choose from upload. Here we go. I just created one, and you can see the dimensions under properties here. It is, where's the details? Yeah, 840 by 428. Okay, apparently that's the size that you use, and then 840 by 332 is actually what will show. It's really weird, they changed it all. So I'm going to upload that, see how that looks. That looks pretty good. You can drag it up or down, like so, and save. So yeah, 840 by, I think I said 420. Is that what I said? 428. 820 by 428. The part that will show is 820 by 332, so, but you can drag it up or down. So just know those dimensions. Now I've got my basic page set up. In the next video, I'm going to show you a couple other things, like posting content to your page and getting people to like it. So we'll do that, but before we do that, we're going to create a Facebook ad account, because we're going to need that for some future steps. So just keep following through, follow along with what I'm doing, and we're on our way.